Hello everyone. So today we will be starting our first project Cpen network. So when you will click on the link provided in Telegram, the website will open from where you will be redirected to Google Play Store to download the app. After the installation is completed, you will have to open the app and it will be asking you to enter four things: email, password, re-enter the password, and the invitation code. So the most important part is the invitation code. You can see it clearly in the video, and also I will provide the invitation code in the Telegram channel. Don't make any mistake while entering it. After that, when you will sign up, a email will be sent to your email address which you will have to verify. So just go to your email address and open the email which you have received. After that, click on verify email. It will take around 2 or 3 seconds to get your email verified. After that, come back to the app and log in using your email and password. Then it will ask you to choose your name and username. After that, you will have to click on start. When you will click on start, a timer will start on the left upper corner, which you can see. The timer is of 24 hours. Also, every day when you start mining, extra rewards will be provided to you when you will watch this advertisement. After that, you have received your reward. So all you have to do is keep on mining. After every 24 hours every day, you will just have to click that start button.